Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing a Galaxy Eyes Photon Dragon 10 opening, and my camera kinda too close so you really can't see very well, but let's open up this tin. Hopefully I get some good cards. We get 1 secret, 4 super rares, and then 5 booster packs. So hopefully I can pull something nice for you guys. We get a little guide, I take it. Cool decks you can make yourself. A little guide, I guess. And then here is the cards. Here are our main cards of the tin. We have the secret rare Galaxy Eyes Photon Dragon. Nice card right there. A Fossil Dino Pachyphalo. That's how you pronounce it. Guardian Atos. Malefic Stardust Dragon. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing all of these correct, guys. I'm sorry. And Solemn Warning. So 4 supers, all limited editions, and a secret rare Galaxy Eyes Photon Dragon, and then we get 5 booster packs. Hopefully I can pull a foil from one of the 5. We get 2 Storm of Ragnarok packs, 2 Extreme Victories, and 1 Generation Force. So let's go ahead and start with Storm of Ragnarok. I like to pull a foil out of one of these packs. It'd be nice. We have first pack, Token Sunday, Watmo, Vylon Matter, Sheen Squire, Diverge of Nordic Alfar, Divine Wind of Mist Valley, Tiki Curse, Mashio Shalian, and Lijasov of the Nordic Alpha. It's pretty hard to pronounce cards there in that first pack, but good pack nonetheless. Let's go ahead with an Extreme Victory pack next. Power Up Adapter, ESP Amplifier, Gladiator Beast Tigerus, Mechaloid Factory, a rare Salvage Warrior, and a ultimate rare TG Blade Blaster. Awesome looking card here. Ultimate rare Synchro, 1 tuner, and then one or more non-tuner monsters for TG Blade Blaster. Mech Timed Blast, Karakuri Kamachi MDL 224, Ninishi, and Resonant Destruction. Sorry guys, I'm having trouble pronouncing those card names, but let's go ahead and do Storm of Ragnarok again. See the second Storm of Ragnarok pack. And if you guys have a request for a certain opening you want me to do next, put it in the description. If I can get it, I'll try, but if I can't, I'll just probably do something else. So, Blackwing, Bristle the Tailwind, Yaksha, Karakuri Ninja MDL 919 Quick, Vylon Matter, Sheen Smoke Signal Rare, and an ultra rare Odin Father of the Acer. Nice card there. A nice ultra rare. 6 strike triple impact, Warm Illidan, and Token Stampede. Alright, let's go ahead and do Generation Force next. So we can get a nice pull from this. Onigami Combo, Wind Up Dog, Utopia Aura, XYZ Veil, XYZ Veil, United Front, Aquajet, Spearfish Soldier, Fishing Kicks, and Explosive Urchin. So, just got a rare in that pack. Let's see if I can finish off the last pack, Extreme Victory, see if I can pull a foil from here. Be really epic if I could. Red Dragon Vase, Lancer Lindworm, Mechlord Army of Weasel, the Resolute Mechlord Army, Necro Defender, Reboot, Psychic Reactor, Mechlord Army of Skyle, and Scrap Kong. So I did not pull a foil, but it's alright. I still got, I think, 2 in this 10, plus the promo cards. Good, so hope you guys enjoyed my 10 opening, and I think that's pretty much all, so I'll see you guys later.